building was built approximately 100 years ago. We did find during demolition a stamp from the existing lumberyard that they got the material from that dated back before the Chicago fire.
The building had become an eyesore only because, you know, it was just sitting here. They did, you know, when neighbors could complain, they did get the grass cut a couple times, but nothing was being done, and I could just see the things happening to the building that made me sick.
It was our intentions to try to maintain the historic facade, as you would say, because it's just a beautiful building. And the interior designer tried to make that transition right at the unit door, keeping the inside of the hallways and everything as rustic and as typical Chicago, quote Chicago as can be.
The building has 12 units. There's 3 per floor. The west side is 1 large unit and the east side is 2 smaller units. They all have their own laundry units, they all have their own kitchens, they all have granite countertops with islands. Basically, the only part of the building that was left as is, besides the shell, is the front entry staircase, which is all existing. Everything else is brand new. One of the other characteristics we tried to maintain was the stained or leaded glass side lights and transoms at the front of the building to match the existing appearance of the windows and keep it historically along the lines that it was originally.
I'm just very pleased that, you know, the building still looks very much the same on the outside and has been done very nicely here on the inside. And I think it will be good for the, you know, community.
Working with the Tandem group has just been, it's just been an awesome experience because you get results right away. Everybody's attention to detail is there. Everybody seemed to be on the same page, and so we've, as owners, we've had a real good experience with Tandem and putting together this rather complicated project when it comes to fitting everything into the small cans, so to speak.